And ball is stolen. And now Enhari, the high pass, the love pass, and the finish. Posting up Cabonok. And the fire, tumalsik, follow-up shot, Cabonok, tumalsik. Ball will go inside to the middle. Pimentel lays in Ausao. Pimentel. Dribble the ball. Attacking the defense is spinning. Floater. Baget is good. Agisanda. Welcome to NBTC 2025 semifinals. And Cabrera inside pass. Halo pass. First blood for and here's Kapawan. Kapawan dribbling the ball. Goes to the screen of Cabonok. Corner pass. Spinning. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound Ursulum. He fires inside. No good. Tips in. Pull up. Power up shot. Baget. And here's Barcena. Barcena is spinning. Penetrates to the hoops. Baget is good. Here's Itang. Pimentel. Pimentel stolen. And the pass break. And Monteo. Pass. Eksakto yung pasa. Uy! Rejected. Oh! Follow-up shot. Monteo. Pass it to the middle. Barcena. Barcena holds the ball. Will go inside to the middle. Pimentel lays in Ausao. Pimentel. And here you go, Tolentino. Pass it to the wing arms. Ursulum. Remudero. Remudero between the legs. Drives. To the paint. Block. Remudero inbounding for the back door. Pass to the middle. Stolen. Pass break. And the pass. Fire short. Rebound by Monteo. Baget for 2. Monteo. That's Itang, number 28. Sorry. Barcena. Penetrates. Kicks it out. Ursulum. Goes inside. Inside pass to Cabonok. Inatake. Kinaldagan ni Monteo. Monteo slowly dribbling the ball. Against Tolentino. Pass to Itang. Bounce pass inside. Hook pass. Cabrera with the finish. Tolentino. Against Itang. Pass to Remudero. Posting up Cabonok. And the fire. Tumalsik. Follow-up shot. Cabonok. And Ursulum. Zigzagging. Stops. Kicks out. Bars up for 3. No good. Rebound. Barcena inside. Inside pass. The follow-up shot. The love pass. Tino now in hurry. And stolen. And Cabrera, the pass. Monteo, pass. Itang fires. Baget for 2. Itang. The long pass. Tolentino. 2-on-2. Spinning. Hook shot off the window. Tolentino. Barcena. Pass inside. Floater. Baget is good. Monteo. Now at the top. Pass to the middle. Itang. Cabrera. Kicks it out. He fires a 3. Won't go. Barcena. Long pass. Ursulum with the lace. Baget is good. Ursulum. Rebound para dito sa team Kamanaba. Straight to the hoops of the window. Manny. Agisanda. Barcena. Inside pass to Cabonok. Post up. Binangga. Fires off the window. Kinaldagan. Bilana at the top. Passes to Pimentel. To Itang. Itang now with the ball. Pass to Monteno for 3. Bang! Montejo. Baseball pass. Avila. Straight to the hoop. Slays it in. Yes. And the pass. Barcena goes to the rim and gets it to go. Inbounding Remudero. Agisanda. Dribble the ball. Attacking the defense is spinning. Floater. Baget is good. Agisanda. Now at the top. Montejo. At the middle, Cabrera, corner, for 3. Bang! 3 points, ties the game. Tie at 24. Barcena. Drives. Kicks out. Ursulum. Ursulum dribbling the ball. Goes to the screen. Pull up jumper at the mid-range. Bullseye. Monteo goes inside. Megos, up and under. Yes, sir. Barcena to the middle. Elbow jumper. Bullseye. Urso stolen. Is pop to the middle. Avila lost the handle. Recover and fire. Yes, sir. Cabonok with the ball. High pass to the middle. Agisanda. Remudero. And stolen. Is spinning. And the pass. 4 on 3. Sa 3. Bang! 3 points, Monteo! That's the end of the first. Ursulum inbounding. And ball is stolen. And now Enhari, the high pass, the love pass, and the finish! Baldomero, pass to Itang. Itang will drive. Picks. The Pinoy step. Bagat is good. The Pinoy step. And Barcena slowly dribbling the ball. Against Monteroso. Goes to the screen. Attacking. Firing off the glass. Bagat for 2. Barcena. Baldomero. Pass to the corner. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. One inbounding. Now looking for the receiver. Rebudero launches on 3. Short. Rebound Tolentino. Pass to Kapauan. Too strong. Rebound Cabonok. Posting up. Picks and fire. Basket and 1. Cabonok. Oh, flex pa. Cabonok. Basket. Completing the 3-point play. Mero. To Monter. And reverse. Straight to the house. Basket for 2. High pass. Ursulum. Ursulum. Goes inside. Binit. Bit lays. Basket for 2. Ursulum. He dribble the ball. Will bump. High pass. Cabrera. Elbow jumper. Bullseye. Awan. Against Cabrera. Middle pass. Tolentino. Goes inside. Talis. Gets it to go. Cabrera to the middle. Lost the handle. Is stolen by Tolentino. Drives to the hoops. Easy to. Ball. And goes to the middle. Penetrates and pass. Pass. Avila. No basket traveling. And it's number 14. Cabrera. Bounce pass inside. Dalis. Oh, Monteo. Dinapboard pa. And he's dribbling the ball. Posting up. He's spinning. Bumping. Crosses over. Penetrates. Lays. Bucket. Monteo. Barcena. Ang Stelfield umatake. Lays. Bucket. Binawian agad. And here's dribbling the ball at the top. Barcena. Goes to the screen. Inside pass. Cabonok fires. Bucket is good. Cabonok. And we are tied at 53. Barcena goes to the screen. Stops. Pass to the middle. Drives. Kicks it out. Open elbow jumper. Bullseye. Agisanda. Bump against Agisanda. Stops. Pass to Lualhati. Lualhati spinning. Floater. Bucket is good. And here's Kapawan. Goes to the screen. Attacking. Corner fakes. Agisanda. To the middle. Barcena. Inside pass. Cabonok. Kinaldagan. He fires. Above the glass. Kinain. And Lualhati against Cabonok. Stop. Cross pass. Pass to the middle. Lualhati. Elbow jumper. Bullseye. Rebound Barcena. Pass break. Crossover. Agisanda lost the handle. The pass. Remudero decided to take easy. Barcena goes inside. Penetrates. Reverse layup. Basket and 1. Barcena. Kapawan. Pass to Barcena. Barcena now set the play. Barcena to Cabonok. 1-on-1. And the stops. Will drive. Spinning. Inside pass. Cabonok will hook. Bucket is good. Cabonok. On lead for Ilocos Tour. Itang spinning. Driving. Inside pass. The fire of the window won't go. Rebound mapupunta kay Tolentino. Pass break. And lumipad. Lace. Basket is good. Barcena. Bounce pass. And fires. Oh, kinain si Barcena inbounding to Cabonok. To Barcena. To Cabonok. Ang gandang tic-tac to Baston. And a good finish by Cabonok. And behind the back dribble. Itang penetrates. Elbow jumper the free throw area. In and out. Rebound. Put it back. Bucket for 2. Avila. And here's Itang. Against number 15. Goes to the screen. Itang. Inside pass. The love pass. Sinubo. And here's Kapauan. Spinning. Goes to the baseline. He fakes. To the middle. Fakes. Goes inside. Floater. Bucket is good. For the inbound, Kapauan, the pass, open look, he force. Not good. Rebound, Avila. Passes to Montejo. Montejo gets inside the lace. Pinabitin pa. Hang time, Montejo. Arsena, now at the top. Goes to the baseline with lace. Not good. Rebound. And the pass, Avila will bump, picks spin, kicks out, pull-up jumper, short, Cabrera, rebound. Oh, he stops, kicks it out. Montejo will fake. Montejo dribble the ball. He attacks, the lace, gets it good. That's the end. Eksakto yung pasa. Alley-oop pass, the love pass, and the finish. Rebound and the pass break. And here's Tolentino, inside pass, Barcena will fire, bucket is good. 1 point lead, Ilocos Tour. Cabrera, looking for receiver. Monteroso will go inside, trade up, low short. And the pass, and Barcena will lace, easy to Barcena. Against Tolentino, Montejo, bounce pass to Cabrera. Cabrera against Cabonok. He bump. He fakes. Spin. Fade away. Bullseye. And now at the top. Dribbling the ball against and pass to Barcena. Barcena dancing at the floor. Spinning to the middle. The lace. Bucket is good. Kapauan. And the chest pass. 2-on-2 ang laban. Monteroso kicks it out. Monteroso. Pull up job. Oh, bullseye. Monteroso. And here attacking. Please. Yes, sir. And dribbling the pass. Remodero to the wings area. Holds the ball. Barcena. Pull up jumper long distance. Bucket is good. And here you go. Ating. Pass to the hoops. Basket and 1. 2 minutes, 24 seconds. Yes, it in. 94-90. Barcena slowly dribbling, goes to the screen. Attacks. To the hoops. Yes, sir. Down to 2-1 lead. Barcena dribbling the ball. Crosses over. Barcena attacking the defense, kicks out, open for sa 3. No good. Rebound. Para dito sa Kamanava, Ating. 94-92, 2-point lead Kamanava, 1 minute, 15 seconds sa gitna, hook shot, basket is good, Cabrera. Sanda now inbounding, pass to the middle, Kapauan lost the handle, recovers. And this Romidaro stop on 3. No good. Rebound. Between the legs. Behind the back. Ating. Attacking. The pass. The fire. Bucket is good. Montenegro. Process over. Recover. Spinning. Creating. To the middle. Cabonok. Kakaldag fires. My foul. Seconds on the game clock. First on the free throw. Cabonok. Yes, it's in. Cabonok. Last and final free throw. Not good. Rebound Cabonok. Pass to the middle. Barcena. And the pass. Natapikan. And taking it easy. And inbounding. The pass. Cabrera, first throw is in. Final free throw. Yes. Pico. Long pass. And attacks. Spinning. Please, Baget is good. Agisan. Pass. And the pass. Deep 3. No good. Rebound. Put back. Baget. Agisanda. About Itang. Itang high pass inside. Oop. Naagaw. Na-recover. Kicks out. Abila. And congratulations, Team Kamanaba.
Final score